Hello guys, I'm Hana, hair expert of K Hair. Today I will answer quickly 5 common questions that our seller had received from customer. So let's get started. The first question, why should customer choose K Hair product instead of other company? Well, K Hair is a 30-year-old company leading producing and exporting human hair worldwide. We have 7 different factory locations and product tons of hair a month. And if you Google top Vietnamese hair factory, you will see K Hair ranked top by Google as the biggest wholesale factory in Vietnam. Let's move on to the second question. What kind of hair K Hair provide? Well, we sell 100% Vietnamese human hair, no tangle, no setting, and long-lasting, which from villagers in the high mountains with cold weather. Therefore, their hair is really strong and silky. And the third question, how many payment measures of K Hair and how much deposit customer need to pay? So we have 6 most used payment measures. The first one is bank transfer, once pay, Remitly, Zelle, MoneyGram, and Western Union. And if you live in Nigeria, you can pay money via agents. Besides, we no longer accept PayPal as our payment measure because in the past there was scammer discussing as customer and exploited the PayPal system. That's the reason why we stopped using it to protect our customer. About the deposit, if you buy just black blonde straight hair, you need to pay at least 30% of total invoice for it to start making hair. If you buy just black curly hair, you need to pay at least 15%. And the last, if you buy color hair, you need to pay at least 70%. Now the next question, what's the difference between single, double, and super draw? Well, Vietnamese factory mostly use single draw, double draw, and super draw to divide the hair grade. Here you can see single draw have the thinnest tail, while double is fuller and super double is the fullest and thickest tail. And the last question, when will customer receive hair after payment? Well, after receiving customer payment, we will send customer order to factory, and then the production day take from 9 to 15 day work, and the shipping day from 5 to 7 day work. The time will be a little bit different, depends on the time of the year. So I hope that my answer will have fun and satisfying to you. Moreover, you can watch more video on description box below, and you can contact me if you have any different questions. Hana K here. Thanks for listening.